In our closing thoughts, we must remember that the future of data governance is not a fixed destination, but an evolving journey. A journey that demands our active participation and critical thinking. It requires us to embrace the democratization of data, to harness the power of collective intelligence, and to responsibly wield the might of artificial intelligence. The future of data governance is not just about the technology we use or the insights we glean. It's about the values we uphold, the trust we foster, and the society we aspire to build. It's about ensuring that as we push the boundaries of technology, we don't lose sight of our humanity. As we navigate this brave new world, let us be the architects of a future where data governance is not just a tool for innovation, but a beacon of trust. A world where data doesn't just dictate our decisions, but empowers us with the knowledge to make informed choices. So, as we ponder on the future of data governance, let's remember that it's not just about managing data, it's about managing the future. And that, dear listeners, is a future worth striving for.